What is that? Ghostly Thrillers. Yeah, it's terrible. Haven't found anything. Okay. What is that? Yeah, I saw her. What the hell is it?
And at the end of the day, it's after Packers always.
Do we want to save Bride of Chucky? We could. We could do it. There's just bug crap and mold, and I don't think it's worth it. Pretty sure this is like a $10 tape. There he is. What the heck is that? I don't know. I think that's a parrot. I don't know what that is. What is this? Dang, 35. Dang, that thing's heavy as hell. I've never seen one of those. And what is this, brass? Maybe? That's kind of cool. Put them on my shelf.
It's chicken.
Chicken? Nice. It's a pretty clean one too. I think this is the one I sold for like 70 bucks or something crazy. That's all there. I don't know. God dang it. I'm gonna break it. That's all there. That might be good. You gotta be careful with Beachbody though. I haven't worked out in months, man. I gotta get back on it. What? You wanna play this game? No? I thought you'd be good at that game.
Too thrilled today.
No, I'm kind of over it. Some pressed pennies. Something's talking.
I never did.
Whoa. Oh man, loved this movie when I was a kid. Christopher Lloyd scared the crap out of me. Remember they were eating those, they were eating the can of beans?
I'll tell you.
It's your mouth.
Look at all those pins. What is this, Red Hat Society?
I'm so glad that you're interested in learning more about Red Hat Society.
What is that? It's like an old lady thing. It's kind of gross. Alright. Alright, put some new batteries in here. Let's see if it works. Let's go. Oh. I don't know what that does. Seems like it's working. What is that? Prestige, dang. Not what I want. But I've never seen that. Batat. It's a cool little Coleman. Smells like vinegar over here.
What?
Monk season 4. Let's go. Size of that. XL. I don't need any more shirts.
I am the great Cornelio.
Damn. It's a movie? Terrorist hits America. 9/11. Oh, that's a 9/11 tape.
Yeah, maybe talking about.
That might be interesting. Even though I lived it, you know. Another one? Whoa. Here's another one. They got all of it. Gotta document it. There it is. Oh man, that's pretty cool. If I can find the other horn, that would be great. What are the chances? Alright, I'm gonna go look right over there for a little horn. Because I'm a sicko. I am a sick individual.
One eternity later.
Hey. I'm over it. We're definitely getting this. Definitely getting that. This is cool. Scooby-Doo Dracula. Let's go. I don't really know what good content is, but that wasn't it.
Me? I don't know about that, dude.